Let's take a look at what you get inside the C25 leaflet thingy here. Quick start guide. We have the SIM eject tool, and we have the C25. And this one, in this box, you get a USB Type-C cable, which is nice, which means the C25 has a Type-C port. So the C25 has a 6000 milliamp hour battery, which means you should get longer battery life. But more importantly, it also has a USB Type-C port, which does support up to 18 watt fast charging. And the power brick we saw earlier is an 18 watt power adapter. So you get that in the box, which is really good. Realme has used the MediaTek Helio G70 SoC, which is a big step up from the G35. So we should be able to expect a better system as well as gaming performance. In terms of variants, there are two variants of the C25. There's one with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, and another with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. So 4 GB of RAM is constant no matter which storage variant you pick. The C25 comes with Realme UI version 2.0 right out of the box, which, as you can see, is based on Android 11, which is really cool. Triple camera with the 13 megapixel primary. You get a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel monochrome.